How to download leads in Lusha. So first you need to go ahead and add them to a list. So let me show you. I have a list right here called outreach. And if you want to create a new list, come and click on the plus button and just type in your list name and click on create list. All right. Now let's get some data to add to our list just to show you if you did not know how to do that. So I'll use this previous search query I did, right? So my filters I had to find contact was the real estate industry, employee headcount to 200 to 500. You can go ahead and change this as well. Let me make it 1,000 to 5,000 for you, right? That's how you change filters. You can change the revenue, year founded. This is the contact location. You can choose job titles as well, right? And also, for example, purchasing can do people in the purchasing department in these real estate firms in London. So let's wait for this to load up, and we only have 4 contacts. Now, what you want to do, for example, let's say I want Sarah Ashley. Just check mark here. And if you want Hassan Ahmed, you can choose this one as well. But honestly, I will only pick, let me only pick Ashley, right? Just click on show details. And now you could be able to see their email, their phone number, all their details, right? That consumed 1 credit. And then all you want to do is click here, save to, and you can add them to your list. And my list is going to be right here, outreach, click on save. Now it has successfully saved to my list in Lucia. Now come back here, as you can see, it went from 10 contacts to 11. Now let me open this up. Now this is how you download leads. Okay. If you want a specific lead you want to download, you can choose them right here, or you can select all of them by checking this option right here. And then all you want to do, guys, is click on export to CSV, and it'll automatically start, downloading a CSV file. So you can go ahead and open this up in an Excel, and let's wait for this to open up. And of course, you can easily copy all this, do Control A, and copy the whole thing and just paste it into a Word document as well, right? It's really that easy and simple, guys.